Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set content preferences in the TikTok app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, and you won't want to miss that. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open the TikTok app. Here it usually opens up in the home menu and shows funny videos, but we have to go into the profile menu. Here in the profile menu, in the top right corner, there are 3 lines. We tap on those. And here, we tap on settings and privacy. And in this tab, we scroll down a bit and tap on content preferences. And here we have multiple options. We can set the video languages and select what kind of videos we want, as in languages. We can filter video keywords, as in the themes of videos. We can set restricted mode, refresh our own feed, and hide accounts. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.